my name's Emma Harrison.
And my name's Peter Jukes.
And welcome to our ZipZag Rides trade show FAQ video.
Unfortunately, due to the coronavirus pandemic, we haven't been able to attend any trade shows this year, so we'd just like to answer one of those frequently asked questions.
What makes your product different to competitors?
ZipZag Rides has over 10 years of industry knowledge, understanding and experience in these highly engineered rides. We have developed and evolved the Zip Coaster attraction, bringing new ideas in, such as the berm run and multi-stage rides. The unique ride layout has the added benefits of reducing staff to just one location and maximising rider throughput.
What safety features do you include in your ride?
Every year, over 3 million people are using a ZipZag ride. We use specially engineered safety system called the Safe Release System on all of our rides. The system prevents riders passing through the harnessing area without being properly attached to the trolley. We also use non-return gates, which prevents riders from falling backwards if they were to trip on the takeoff or landing ramp. For our multi-stage rides, we have incorporated a traffic light system that uses sensor to detect rider movement. This ensures that no two riders will be on the track at any one time.
Where do you already have ZipZag rides installed?
We have over 80 rides installed worldwide, including in the UK, the USA, the Middle East, Sweden, Holland, South Korea, Germany, and more recent rides installed in China and Kuwait.
Where is everything manufactured?
Everything is manufactured right here in the United Kingdom. This enables us to visibly quality check every component before it gets shipped to your site.
How long is the entire process?
For the UK and Europe, the entire process from concept design to completion usually takes around 3 months. Due to shipping times to the rest of the world, we would include an extra month for these areas, totaling 4 months.
What is included in the price?
The price includes the design and calculations required to gain regulatory approval, manufacture and installation. There are, however, a number of unknown costs, which we just give indicative prices for. These are shipping and flights, accommodation for the install team. Everything will be detailed in your...
Can you do both indoor and outdoor rides?
Yes, we can do both indoor and outdoor rides. Our outdoor rides are supported by using a mast system, and our indoor rides are supported by cables from the roof structure. In both instances, we provide all necessary calculations and documentation, ensuring regulatory approval.
Are there any age restrictions on a ZipZag?
There are no age restrictions for a ZipZag ride. It's fun for all ages. The only restrictions are height and weight. The minimum rider height is 94 centimetres, 3'1", and the maximum rider height is 187 centimetres, 6'2". The maximum rider weight is 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. The ride is supplied with a range of harnesses to accommodate the different rider sizes.
How much do people tend to charge per ride?
Some of our sites include the ride as part of their admission fee. However, some sites tend to charge per ride, usually varying between £2.50 and £7 per ride. Some sites create deals, such as offering 3 rides for the price of 2.
How long will it take to make my money back?
Typically, you will make your money back between 1.5 to 2.5 years. That includes staff costs. One of our flagship sites made their money back in 7 months. As a result of the demand, they had to double the size of the car park.
How high does my roof have to be to fit a ZipZag?
You will need 7.5 metres height to land just above head height. You will need 5.5 metres height to land above ground level with a fenced enclosure, and you will need 9 metres plus to land above trampolines.
Can I choose the colour of the track?
Of course, you can choose any route colour you like for the track and also the padding. Our most popular route colour is 3020 traffic light red, but we have had some clients choose route colour 4010 telemagenta. Yep, that is pink. This is great as you can match and theme the ZipZag site with also your site.
How long does it take to install a ZipZag?
It can vary dependent on site location and condition, and also the size of the ZipZag ride, multi-stage or single. But typically on a clean site in an easy to get to location, we would estimate around 3 weeks for an indoor ride and 4 weeks for an outdoor ride. For retrofit rides in live venues, there is an opportunity to minimise downtime to off-peak hours.
What are the track and trolley made of?
Our track is made out of steel and our trolleys, aluminium. These are both NDT tested, and we will provide documentation for both of these items required for your ride inspection.
How much does a ZipZag cost?
Our starter ride, which is very popular, costs from £150,000. However, some sites lend themselves to longer rides with additional feature challenge platforms and are so priced to reflect these.
Thank you so much for watching our ZipZag Rides Trade Show FAQ video.
Please, if you have any further questions or would like to know a bit more information, don't hesitate to get in contact with either myself or Emma Harrison. I'll pop our email addresses just down here.
Have a great day!